Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate N26 debit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your N26 app, and once you're inside here you'll be seeing this kind of interface. On the bottom bar you'll be seeing different kind of icons. Simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it you'll be seeing this kind of interface, right? Now in order to activate your card, what you need to do is simply tap on activate, and once you tap on activate, what you need to do is enter in the 10-digit number on your N26 card, and once you enter in the number you will get an option that says continue. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here what you need to do is enter in your card pin, and once you reset your card pin, what you need to do is simply tap on confirm. That basically activates your N26 debit card. If this method doesn't work, then what you need to do is head over to your N26 branch, nearest branch, and then go to there, or simply go to a shop terminal or ATM to activate your card physically. And that's basically how you can activate N26 debit card. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.